Hi there. I did a reading on the Israel-Iran war because that's so prominent in the news right now. But I found that it can relate to us as well, so I'm going to give it to you. Um, and we found that we weren't alone, that we did have help, and it was our time. It was time. It was for things to happen for us. Um, we brought ideas into life, and we were looking for the magic. At the end of the day, all we wanted was harmony with our families and loved ones. So if that's how you're feeling, which is most of us actually, it's time to make a decision. Be clear of what you want and take action. Um, we are being given the strength by the exposures of the lies and things like that. And, with a bit of forgiveness and self confidence, and even through kindness, we can transform things in our life. In the near future, there is definitely transformation, which I spoke about before, and that is a beautiful thing. There will be stability, so take charge of any situation that you find yourself in. We will know to get our peace and harmony, and that there's a lot to be done. It's a huge undertaking, but sudden revelations will offer us freedom. Use your mind wisely. Uh, um, Claim your independence. Don't worry what other people are doing. Be happy and kind and self assured in yourself. You will know exactly what to do for yourself and your loved ones. And the conclusion is that you need to believe in yourself. Life is wonderful. Thrive through the power of positive thinking, and inspiring success is coming your way, all our way. I love you all very much. I hope that resonates with you. Thank you for listening.